What is cross-reference actually? Cross-reference allows you to link to other parts of the same document, okay, by which from table of contents you can jump to a specific heading, table, chart, endnote or footnote, okay. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add cross-reference in MS Word. Okay, I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here we go. For heading type document, we have to add heading first, then we have to proceed. Okay, for chart, figure, table, this type of document, we have to add caption first, then we have to proceed. Okay, so first I'll show you heading type. Okay, see, this is my table of contents, and here objective of this work. So elaboration of this topic is located at page number 10. So I have to go to page number 10. This is page number 10. So objective of this work. So I have to make a heading first. For make a heading, select the text. I am at home tab, and from here select any heading, heading 1, heading 2. I'm selecting heading 1. Then I will go to my table of contents. Okay, then select objective of this work. From here insert, then cross reference. Okay, see, reference type. Here there have different sort of reference type and number type, heading, bookmark, footnote, endnote, equation. Okay, in my case, my reference type is actually heading that I added here, and that is showing here. Okay, so for which heading? This heading. Okay, only one heading is available that I added, and from here insert reference to also heading text. Okay, then insert. Close the dialog box. See, objective of the work and cross reference has been added. That is why it is showing current document. Ctrl plus click to follow the link. Now at this moment, if I from my keyboard press Ctrl and click my mouse, then see what happened. I'm pressing Ctrl and click. See, I jumped to the objective of this work. This is actually cross reference, and this is actually heading type. And now at this moment I will show you chart, figure, table, this type of document. Okay, and for adding cross reference to chart, figure, table, this type of document, we have to add caption first. I am going to my table of contents. See, figure 1, impact of project on society. This figure 1 is located at page number 12. So I'll go to page number 12. Okay, this is impact of project on society. This is a figure actually. Okay, so what I have to do, I am selecting the figure, right click, from here insert caption. I will insert this caption actually, figure 1, impact of project on society. Okay, figure 1. What I can do, I am closing, I will just cut and paste. Okay, so I am selecting the text, Ctrl X, I am deleting this thing is not needed. Okay, then I'm selecting my figure, right click, from here insert caption, and from here see figure 1, just Ctrl V, I'm pasting. I'll give a little bit space here. Okay, so figure 1, impact of project on society, level, figure. Okay, position below selected item. You can also select above selected item, then it will be here. Okay, then below selected item it will be here. Okay, so I'm selecting below selected item, then okay. See, figure 1, position of society, I'll be placing it at the middle. So for that, home, then I'm selecting center. Okay, I'll also increase the size little bit, maybe 11. Okay, so now I'll go to my table of contents. So this is impact of project on society. I will select this thing, then from here insert, from here cross reference, reference type. Now at this moment I will select figure. This is figure actually. Okay, see, figure 1, impact of project on society, that I have added. Okay, so this one is by default selected. If you added 5 caption, then the rest of the 4 will be showing here. In my case, I have inserted caption for only one figure, that is why that one figure is showing. Okay, insert reference to entire caption, or only level and number, only caption text, page number above or below, entire caption. Okay, then insert, close the dialog box. This is figure 1. This 12 is actually page number. I am placing it here. Okay, and now at this moment, if I take my mouse pointer on figure 1, what it is showing? Current document, Ctrl plus click to follow the link. So from your keyboard, just press Ctrl plus left click. See, this is figure 1. Okay, so this is how you can add figure. Now at this moment, I will show you how to add table. At the same way almost, I'm going to my table of contents. From here, table on, the table below lists the major tasks and milestones. Okay, it is located at page number 13. I'm going to page number 13. This is my table actually. Okay, so here I will add my caption. So at the same way I am copying this thing, I'll cut this thing actually, Control X. I'm deleting this table 1. Okay, I'll be select here, right click, from here insert caption, figure, see label figure. From here I'll select table. Okay, so table 1 space Control V. Okay, then from here, okay, it is located at above. So what I'll do, right click, insert caption, table 1, Control V. Okay, label table, position is above selected item. From here I will select below selected item, then it will be placed here. Okay, then okay, see it has been placed here. I will place it at the center, so for that I'm going to home, from here center. Okay, and also I'll make it 11. Okay, so see table 1, the table below lists. So this is the table 1. Okay, now at this moment I'll go to my table of contents. This is my table 1, so I will select the text from here, then insert, cross reference, reference type. From here I will select table. This is table. Okay, table 1 for which caption? For this caption. Okay, so insert reference to entire caption. Okay, then insert, close the dialog box, and see cross reference has been added. I am taking it here, this page number, and if I from my keyboard, if I press Ctrl plus left click, so it will jump to the actual table. Okay, so now at this moment I will show you how to add cross reference in your chart. I am going to my table of contents. Here chart 1, uses of CCTV in 2019. It is located at page number 14. I'll go to page number 14. This is my desired chart. Okay, so chart 1, so I am copying this thing. I'll cut this thing actually, Control X, I will delete it. Okay, then from here select the chart, right click, from here insert caption, table 2, from label I will select chart actually. So I'm not finding the chart, so for that new level I will go for new level and label CHART chart. From here okay, then chart 1. Okay, below selected item, space, then Control V. Okay, just click on OK. See chart 1, select the text. I will take it at the center and I will make it 11. Okay, so I have inserted the caption. I will go to the table of contents. Okay, then I will select the topic. I will go to insert, from here cross reference, reference type. From here I will select chart, and this is my chart that I added. Okay, then enter caption, insert, close, and from your keyboard just press Ctrl left click and boom. Okay, so this is how you can add cross reference to your document. Okay, like heading type, chart, figure, table. So hopefully you have understood what cross reference is and how to add cross reference in your document. Actually, if you add cross reference, definitely it will express the smartness of your work. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.